Jamaican shooter Neesa DaCosta has finished her collegiate career ranked 4th among the women's shooters in the United States after competing for Jacksonville University in Florida. Denise Walters reports.
Skeet shooter Neesa DaCosta, who recently completed a Master of Business Administration degree at Jacksonville University, just missed to 3rd place in the final rankings by less than a point and has achieved the highest placement by a Jamaican woman in collegiate clay target shooting in the United States. Based on her achievements, DaCosta was selected to the National Skeet Shooting Association Scholastic Clay Target Program All-American team.
An incredible honor. Collegiate shooting is extremely competitive, and many of the athletes at the top level are capable of shooting perfect scores. And while I haven't exactly achieved that milestone yet, it's something I really will continue to look forward to and work towards, and it keeps me very motivated.
She attended Jacksonville University on a full athletic scholarship after leaving Hillel Academy, pursuing a double major in business management and marketing before completing her MBA while competing in skeet, trap, and sporting clays.
I think it's the sign that I'm moving in the right direction, and it's just encouragement and that there's still bigger goals ahead for me. And as a Jamaican athlete, I'm really proud to represent my country at this level and show that we can compete alongside some of the best shooters in the United States. And I really do hope that my journey inspires other young Jamaicans, especially the juniors in clay shooting, to pursue the opportunities in the sport and to keep striving for excellence.
DaCosta developed her shooting career at the Jamaica Skeet Club under the guidance of Khalil Azan and credited Jacksonville University founder and head coach David Dobson for helping shape her development as both an athlete and a coach. Among her top performances, she won the collegiate women's title in skeet, trap, and sporting clays at the 2025 Scholastic Clay Target Program Florida State Championships. DaCosta also finished women's high overall runner-up at the 2025 Spring Southeast Collegiate Regional Championships after winning the women's ski title and placing 2nd in sporting clay. At the 2025 ACUI Fall Lower East Coast Championships, she placed 3rd in women's high overall, women's sporting clays, and women's American trap. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.